We love every villa we build at Casa Linda, but every now and then some owners really create something that makes you stop and go, wow. This is an example how you can take a standard floor plan and transform it in something really, really unique.
Believe it or not, this is a Sunseeker 4-bedroom. It started out as a basic model, and the owners had a vision and added so many upgrades and so many beautiful features which make it incredibly functional and beautiful at the same time. We're going to discuss some of those upgrades today.
Let's go and take a look.
Something we do really special here at Casa Linda is our front doors are very beautiful. They're natural hardwood, they're thick, they're strong, they're absolutely beautiful. This could be painted, or it's almost a whitewood, the hardwood that we use, so it takes on just about any color of stain, whether it's dark or red or black or honey like this. They've also added a corallina or travertine accent out here, and even the floor here is travertine, or what's called locally corallina, and then inside.
And corallina is really one of the main features of this villa. So this is a pretty standard floor plan of a 4-bedroom Sunseeker. So the real upgrades are in the finishing and in the little details that the owner had. And one of them is the floor tile is completed with corallina. And I believe corallina, or travertine, as you call it in the US, is a very expensive material there, isn't it?
It absolutely is. Travertine in the US can be over $100 a square foot installed. It has incredible character. If you look close, there's seashells and coral and all kinds of beautiful stuff in it.
I love the way as well they blend in all the colors with like the white cabinets and the waterfall island. That just gave the extra like luxury touch.
In this villa, they've also added some height to the cabinets, and rather than a tile backsplash, they use this granite backsplash. These curtains are absolutely beautiful, and they cover both the sliding glass doors and the dormer windows up above. I think that really sets this off as something special.
Something that really has worked with the Sunseeker model is that feeling of indoor and outdoor that kind of blends in together. So you're in your kitchen, you're in your living room, and then you open your sliding door and you're right on your terrace.
And this can open up completely as well to give you an indoor-outdoor feel. Now, all of our windows come with screens, as do our sliding glass doors. Wow, feel that breeze flowing through here? Doesn't that feel wonderful?
So the covered terrace is one of the areas that all our residents say they always is the area that they use the most, isn't it?
Outdoor living is where it's at here in the Dominican Republic, and this particular villa has a beautiful ocean view. They've also added an outdoor kitchen, so a full-size stove and oven, a full-size refrigerator. This bar is standard, but they've made some upgrades in it, including a full-size sink.
So really, you could just use this space as just one space, have a barbecue, cook right here, have your guests sitting here, relax and enjoy the lifestyle.
This furniture came from Santo Domingo, and it's aluminum. It looks like wood. It's absolutely beautiful, and it pairs up very nicely with the travertine floors, which incidentally, hottest day of the year, you can walk across travertine barefoot, and it feels cool on your feet. They've added this additional terrace, which adds a whole nother dimension to the outdoor living. This is kind of a private little corner.
This is the sliding door to one of the bedrooms. So from the inside, from your bedroom, you can just step out onto the pool deck. Everything is very carefully planned. So you have your utility room here where you have the pump of the pool and your water filter if you want to install so. You also have a space for the laundry room, and this is big enough to have washer and dryer in it, and you could also put some shelves for extra storage space. They also added a third space, a storage space, where they actually put the solar power battery. We are one of the few developments that allow that in a gated community.
So this is a solar system. They've got 24 kilowatt, which is a very big system, on the roof. This is battery backup, so you've got a system all day long. Everything they need to power this villa endlessly. That being said, Casa Linda has solar power, municipal power, and diesel generators. Some owners decide that they want solar power and they install it. This is the biggest system I've seen in Casa Linda.
This 4-bedroom Sunseeker comes or includes an 800 square meter lot, and this lot was just 850, just a little bit over. And see how much space they have with the pool terrace, the cover terrace, and see how much land it is still left. So you could build your tropical garden here.
So while we're up here on the ridge, wanted to point out this is a Sunseeker, and it started as a Sunseeker with a dormer roof, or that was the plan. The owners had a different vision, decided they wanted a tile roof, and so we made those changes for them and added the tile roof. What do you think, Sylvia?
I love it, and that's the beauty of Casa Linda. It's your villa, your way. So whatever you want to create, we can make it happen for you.
So absolutely beautiful yard, and in no time here in the tropics, these plants will be great big and beautiful. This is actually a fruit plant, so we're excited to see it fruit. It takes a couple of years. And
is that one of the fan palm? No,
yes,
that one
this
that
is
goes,
a fan palm in the middle.
Oh, I love it when they grow, and they're just beautiful.
Yep,
yeah.
Absolutely beautiful. And some other palm trees in here, and some vetiver grass, and some beautiful landscaping. And in no time, this will be really pretty and have lots of flowers. So every villa comes with one car parking space and one golf cart parking space. Again, as part of their vision, they've added a 2-car park, some additional entryway to the pool and outdoor living space. A great thing about this part of the world is we almost always have a breeze, and you can see
my hair
through Sylvia's hair.
On the 4-bedroom Sunseeker, the layout, you will have your 2-bedroom, like your primary bedroom and the secondary bedroom inside the main floor plan, and the 2 extra bedroom on the outdoor. And I think this works great because you can have family staying around, you can have friends, so you're still going to give them a little bit more privacy because they have a separate access to the extra bedrooms. The pool is a 12,700 gallons pool, is about 5 feet deep, which is pretty much our standards here in Casa Linda.
Right, but remember, we'll do any length, any depth, any width. It's all about gallons for us. Now they've added a whirlpool jacuzzi with heated water. So it's air bubbles, water pressure, and a seating area, and adds another nice feature to this villa. So all the villas in Casa Linda come with an outdoor shower. Imagine living in the Caribbean, taking a morning shower after a morning dip in the pool.
You might notice that the configuration or the view of this particular villa looks a little bit different, and this villa was built on an elevated lot, which gives you the advantage of this beautiful view. Now, this comes with a little bit of an extra cost because of retaining walls. So being the land elevated, we need to build a retaining wall, but it is worth it.
Also note from this ridge line here, you can see Mount Isabel de Torre in Puerto Plata. You can see the ocean. Absolutely beautiful spot. You're up on a ridge, so you're also going to get breezes. They've just done a wonderful job here.
So whether you're just thinking of maybe making the move, or you're already planning and designing your house, this is just an example of how you can create your own beautiful villa here in Casa Linda.
We're pretty excited to have the opportunity to show this to you, and just wanted to say thank you for watching the video, and contact us if you have any questions or want to move forward. Thank you so much.
So, Steven, you can go back to the office. Thanks for watching. I think I have some
Enjoy,
stuff to do
Sylvia.
here.
Have a good afternoon.